What I want to do is I want to give you some notes that might help you for homework. But I'm going to make you tell me. Where is the period? Is the period the row or the column?
The row.
The row. So from side to side, this is the period. The column would be then, column's called the group. It's up and down. And what does this black line mean? On this side would be nonmetals. And on this side would be metals. That might help you with your homework. Let's do number 1 together. It says, which pair of elements has the same number of valence electrons? So if I'm looking for the same number of valence electrons, then I would be looking at what? Where do I find the same number of valence electrons? In the period or group? In the groups. So I'm going to look down each group and see, where do I see a pair with the same number? Which group?
All of them in the row.
Group 1's the only one that has a pair. A pair would be 2 elements in the same group, right? And it's asking you, what are those elements? K and F. See that? It asks, which pair of elements has the same number of valence electrons? So do D and R have the same number of valence electrons? No, D would have like 1, 2, 3, 4, and R would have 7, right? How many valence electrons does K have?
7.
It's in group 1, so it has 1. How many does F have?
1.
So which pair of elements have the same number? K and F. Okay, there's only 6 questions. That leaves 5 for you to do for homework. It is a grade, and it is due tomorrow. Okay, until the bell rings, we're going to keep going because I want to review with you. If you look at your periodic table, okay, I want you to, we're going to talk about each of these groups. Okay, the AM, alkali metals, alkaline earth metals, transition metals are all this section. Then we have our halogens and our noble gases. We're going to talk about each of those in a little bit more depth.